380 113 from Glasgow Central to Ayr. And now is 38016 from Ayr to Glasgow Central.
Glasgow Central. The next stop is Paisley Gilmore Street. We are now approaching Paisley Gilmore Street. Change here for stations to Queens Bay and Goodwick and the bus link to Glasgow Airport. Please mind the gap when alighting from this train. The next stop is Argyle Street. This is Dunmarnock. This train is for Motherwell. The next stop is Rutherglen. The next stop is Blantyre.
(385 003) from Glasgow Central to Lanark.
The next train at platform 4 will be the 1417 service time.
Yep, 385 027 from Lanark to Glasgow Central. Changing. (397 008) Thank you. (397 008) from Preston to Glasgow Central. 9 minutes late. Here we have 320 312 from Dalmuir to Cumbernauld. (320 418) from
Cumbernauld to Dalmuir.
320, 312, and 320, 303 from down here at Cumbernauld. Three eight five 017 from Lanark to Glasgow Central. 320 418 from Cumbernauld to Dalmuir. London Euston to Glasgow Central. 390 046 from Glasgow Central to London Euston.
This is a customer information announcement. Due to improvement works on Saturday the 11th of March, train services between Glasgow Central and Lanark will not call at Wishaw. A bus replacement will be in operation between Motherwell and Wishaw. Once
The train arriving at platform 2 is the 1451 service to Glasgow Central. This train is formed of 6 carriages.
385 023 from Glasgow Central to Lanark. And joined onto it we have got 385 007 James Bond train. And 385 008 Lanark to Glasgow.
The next train to arrive at platform 2 is not in use. Please do not board the next train at platform 2.
And there's 320, 312 from 1547 from Motherwell down here. And here is a train that's not in use. And it's 390 011 it's not in use. 392.138.
This is a customer information announcement. Due to improvement works on Saturday the 11th of March, train
And
services
on a slightly
between
calmer
Glasgow
note,
Central and Lanark
there
will
is
not call at
320, 301
Bus replacement will be in
from Lanark to
operation
Glasgow.
between Motherwell and Wishaw. On Sunday the 12th of March, services
There's
between
another
Glasgow
train
Central and
added
Lanark
on to that.
will start
I'll show you that in a minute. And then 318, 250. Here's 385, 217. Three 85017, Glasgow Central, Edinburgh, Waiting. Right, so this is our train. 320, 392. And 318.
Singer and Dunmuir. Passenger safety information notices are located throughout this train. Please have your...
From Motherwell to Dunmuir. And here is 320 404 from Dunmuir to Cumbernauld. The train that we got back to Johnson was absolutely mobbed, so we had to stand from Glasgow to Gilmore Street, which was not nice.